immediately. Get your designated shuttlecraft. Repeat evacuation.
That's George's voice. What's happening?
We're delivering the shuttle. Go!
One's gone! Let's go! I'm on my way!
George.
You're okay, thank God. I have medical shuttle 37 standing by. Get to it now. Can you do that?
Yes.
Everything's gonna be okay. Do exactly as I say, shuttle 37.
George, it's coming. Our baby. It's coming now.
I'm on my way.
Autopilot function has been destroyed. Manual operation only.
Turn on back now! Get to the shuttle! Move! Move! Get to the hangar!
Oh, that's a big one.
Just keep breathing. You'll be fine.
And the baby too, right?
And the baby too.
Right here. Captain, the shuttle 37 is my wife on board.
Yes, sir, she is.
I need you to go now. Do you hear me?
We're waiting on you, sir.
No, just go. Take off immediately. That's an order.
Yes, sir.
No, wait. Don't let go yet. Please, stop. George, the shuttle's leaving. Where are you?
Sweetheart, listen to me. I'm not gonna be there.
No.
This is the only way you'll survive.
Are you still on the ship? You have to be here.
The shuttles will never make it if I don't fight them off.
George, I can't do this without you.
Okay, I need you to push now.
What is it?
It's a boy.
A boy? Tell me about it.
He's beautiful. George, you should be here.
Impact alert.
What are we gonna call him?
We can name him after your father.
Tiberius? You kidding me? No, that's the worst. Let's name him after your dad. Let's call him Jim.
Jim. Okay. Jim it is.
Sweetheart, can you hear me? I love you so much.